Pretty cool, huh? This is a wetland. It's like a swamp, a marsh, or a bog. Besides being beautiful, it turns out they're extremely important. They're found in every state in the U.S., and there's probably one in your neighborhood. So what is a wetland anyway? Well, you got land, you got water. It's not that complicated. So what I'm talking about is a wetland is a place with reduced O2 exchange, reduced oxygen exchange, so the soil is therefore what? Hydric soil, that's right, reduced O2 with the hydric soil. So this, as you can see, is a scrub and shrub wetland. Now, scrub and shrub wetlands are marked by what? By scrubs and shrubs. They're what? They're palustrin wetlands, that's what I mean. So what you have here is hydrophytic vegetation, hydrophytic flora, which would be hydrophytes. Okay, wait. A salt marsh and the tide flat. You see I'm sort of sinking. Now this muck is full of decaying plants and animals, and there's other plants and animals that feed on this, and then the salmon come up here and feed on those animals. And this stuff's called detritus, very important to the ecology of wetlands. Furthermore, this whole area acts like a big sponge. You know, I'm sort of sinking here. Wetlands are also important as a home to thousands of species of fish and wildlife. Birds, mammals, reptiles, insects, amphibia, fish, and shellfish all need wetlands to live and grow. So what are we talking about? We're talking about wetlands. See, this water looks dirty, doesn't it? Well, here's another amazing thing about wetlands. They actually filter it, just like this coffee filter. The soil and plants like these in the wetland actually help clean the water up. So we humans come along and do what? We start dumping stuff like petroleum distillates, pathogenic bacteria, PCBs, DDT, and all that stuff. I'm talking about pollution. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, wetlands can do a lot to clean the water up. Of course, wetlands can only do so much. The best way to have clean water is not to pollute it in the first place, for crying out loud. Here's another great thing about wetlands. This is a wetland, this is a flood. Wetlands soak up floods. Pop quiz! Put away your books. Okay, wetlands are good for what? A, flood control. B, cleaning water. C, home to wildlife. Or D, throwing old tires in concrete. I'm kidding. A, B, C. Flood control, cleaning water, home to wildlife. You with me?
Wetlands that were covered in oil and that our habitat was being destroyed. So we need to do something with the wetlands. And I said, well, you know, what about the grasses? So we came up with a phrase called saving the wetlands one plant at a time, and we're going to strengthen the rhizome, which is the underground stem. Maybe that will help strengthen the biome.
Working on saving the underground root, which is the rhizome, trying to get that rhizome stronger.
Well, we're helping the wetlands, which will help Louisiana a bunch because it's like a speed bump for hurricanes.
The ways the wetlands help the oceans is the wetlands help the ocean stay cleaner.
You're actually doing something instead of reading about something. I think we're going to make a difference because it's helping the earth, helping Louisiana, mostly having fun.